YouTube channel called Aswath Raj. So we're gonna do multiple things, and so that's why it's called Aswath Raj. So for our first video, I'm gonna open a huge chemical volcano experiment. So why are we doing this experiment? It's because to introduce children the fascinating world of chemical reactions. The knowledge we get is learn the basic chemical reactions from this experiment. So let's open. So this is the box, guys. So this is the openings. So we got the paper cone, food colorings, a plastic box, glue, filler, a container, mask, gloves, tissues, sodium bicarbonate, and acetic acid. So let's start. So now I have everything ready. The container is inside the cone, and there's newspaper below it, and it's also sticked by double stickers. And now I'm gonna wear the mask. So I have baking soda. So we need to put 1 tablespoon into the container. So I've put 60 ml water into the container, and I'm gonna stir it with this spoon. So now I'm gonna add a pinch of red food coloring and orange food coloring. I removed my gloves so you can fit out. Now I'm gonna stir it nicely. So now everything is ready. So we have the volcano in the container, sticked with the double stickers. So now we're gonna take the filler, add the acetic acid or vinegar.
Oh yeah.
The experiment is done, guys. So this is the experiment with acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate, which are vinegar and baking soda. So this is the chemical reaction between these two. And now I'm going to say a few facts about the volcano. Everyone knows what's a volcano. It erupts lava because of the tectonic plates under the earth. So do you know how many volcanoes are in the earth? There are more than 500 volcanoes in the world. And luckily, most of them are under the Pacific Ocean, and they're also inactive. But there are still active volcanoes in United States, Hawaii, Alaska, California, and even few in Japan. So do you guys know that which is the biggest volcano in the solar system? Yes, guys, it is in Mars, and it's called Olympus Mons. So that is at the end for the video. So subscribe down below, like this video if you liked it. So bye bye.